life I've been hated. Hey, yeah, hey, I must be doing something right. Alright, alright. Y'all give it up for my drummer, Noe Guerrero, Screw, man. Yeah. Make some noise. Get him, Nick. Shout out to where you at? Yeah. K-Town, where you at? Laredo, where you at? Conroe, where you at? Monterrey, where you at? Yeah. Southside is in the house. E-Town in the house. We got some Mexicanos in the house from Mexico. Arriba, arriba. Es todo esto. Oh, we got somebody from straight from ¿dónde eres, Reese?
De la ciudad, güey.
La ciudad de México, Otto. No, hombre, Otto. It's going down. Any Salvadorians in the house? Hey, that's what I'm talking about. You see them? I got the Salvadoran flag on my back. No, I'm talking about. Next cat coming up, we got him all the way from California. We flew him down yesterday.
Yeah. Ay. They used to say my mom was everybody know my fucking name. Yeah, that shit like paint, paint, paint. That shit like paint, paint, paint. Bitch, I'm up like paint, paint, paint. Everybody see the paint, paint, paint. Got a motherfucking spot and I took up a big game. My name is
Shorte Mak. I'm with Viejitos Magnolia all day, every day. Representing Texas right here. Mi camarada, mi carnalito, Richard, what's up? You know what I'm saying? We're here, bro.
Hey,
this is
Texas.
Shout out
to Deca Lower Movement.
Shout out to Shadow. Shout out to fucking Beto. Shout out to fucking Mario, East LA. Fucking Vice, ¿qué onda, canon? Háblame. And you know what? Crazy George, I'm here, bro. All day, every day. Beto, ¿qué huele, cabrón? What's up? What's up? Lobo? Mira, all day, every day. Joe P in the house.
Already.
Check it out.
now you're rolling so deep, yeah. With a burner on your lap. Yeah, you said you was a rider. Now you can't take it back. Hold up, little homie, you about to end your life. Trying to prove that you are what you ain't for them stripes. How you gonna explain the pictures from the other night? Taking selfies with the burner and you did it for them likes. Better look into the mirror when you think your skin is white. You shake your head, some other cops don't profile you on sight. Boy, you ain't a killer, you don't even like to fight. Take a life, you gon' see your victim's face every night. That's cool, eventually you ain't gon' think about it. Don't look into his eyes when you finally let him have it. Trying to forget, gon' bring upon some habits. Can't smoke or drink away the pain. I might just buy me a tank, man. I got these haters so mad. We got the clip in the swing.
Recording me?
I'm not feeling your rap.
I sat down. Everyone kept looking at me.
But when I was on Snap, stomach was such
Everybody was making fun of me today. I heard somebody say, hey, Daisy, dude. I heard no. Okay. Have a good time. Go support Caesar, you know?
That's why I say up like propellers. Look at us, you can tell we some go-getters. Motherfucker, we up.
I've heard of something like Chucky Dog.
Said that they would love me and they treat me like an equal. All my friends tell me you a lie and I believed you. And how is it I feel this way when all you do is tell me I don't love you, I don't love you. I put everyone I come across above you. I ain't gonna lie, I be fucking hoes out here. And all of them can get it like they want it all year. Girl, you chose concrete jungle where the drama don't stop. Yeah, you chose to give your love and life to the block. Everywhere we go, you know we're going together. A year out here and I ain't never felt better. She just wanna love me, I said fuck it, I'ma let her. She won't let me suffer in the coldest of weather. Wasn't till I met her, I felt right, oh yeah. All I need is a love to get me high, oh yeah. Part of me is gonna let it die, oh yeah. Best thing in my life I can't deny, oh yeah. And I don't see how anyone could ever mistreat you. Only thing I know for sure is that I need you. Girl, you ain't alone, I will never ever leave you. You ain't gotta doubt it for a second, don't you know that I love you? I love you. I will never put anyone above you. I would rather die. Your love is my home out here. Yeah, I kill a motherfucker if you ever shed a tear. Girl, I chose the concrete jungle where the drama don't stop. Yeah, I chose to give my love and life to.
Thank you. Much love, much love.
I love you.
Yeah.
I love you. I will never put anyone above you.
There you go.
I love you.
Yo, y'all give it up for Misfit Soto. Give it up for Misfit Soto, guys. One time, all the way from
Hey, this next song right here got my boy Sal Mex on it, man. It's called Suave. It's out everywhere.
Yeah.
Look for it on iTunes, Spotify.
Yeah.
Trill Latino, stand
Yo,
up.
Latinos, where you at?
Hey,
Vamos.
hey.
Luego dinero en el hielo, lo hago suave. Puro fuego, no lo niego, eso es suave. Esto quema bien suave. Yeah. Yo hago dinero en el hielo, lo hago suave. Puro fuego, no lo niego, eso es suave. Como la mar y esto quema bien suave. Yeah.
Boombox, you already know what it be doing, baby. Tune in, see it sideways, flip it, keep it waving. I get to the money, it's evident by my greenery. How get switching lanes, gelato, fogging up the scenery. You know I'm running the city, man. With my eyes wide, niggas want that beef on 1D, fucking 5 days outside. Hold it like I'm riding on my position, swabbing with the stick, like I'm switching on a transition. Wonder why your bitch missing Suavecito coming through. Flavor for the streets, like I'm whipping up with the roof. Jumping dudes, breaking fools, Trill Latinos, what it do? This is for the bosses making money like the players do. No quiero dormir, quiero tocarte ya. Quiero bailar con esta botella. No quiero gozar, no quiero dormir, quiero tocarte ya. Ya llegó el mafioso del barrio, pego duro. Soy de Texas y fumo lo puro. De barrio a barrio, del sado basado. Me dan amor en cada lado. Houston hasta Cali, Cali hasta Nuevo León. Mi nuevo estilo que escuches esta canción.
What's up? What's going on, man? Chilling, man, out here at the house Lowrider Super Show. Chilling, man. What's going on?
How's everything going for you?
So far, so good, man.
Yeah.
Enjoying it. Been out here since maybe 8 o'clock, a little bit before. So yeah, man, we out here set up. Texas Black Sheep, TBS Clothing. Doing our thing, man.
There's all your designs right here.
Yes, sir. She's the one that does all the handcrafted stuff. I do all the design work for the shirts and all the custom airbrushing that you see on my car.
Yeah, man, all that footage.
Yeah.
Nice work.
That's all we do.
All you do, huh? This is your
Yep.
life, huh?
This is our life, man. Since I was 14 years old, we've been hustling art, living off of it.
You got a website?
Yeah, man. Well, not a website. You can find me on IG at C's.mck, TBS Clothing on IG, or C's Martinez on Facebook, man. Go ahead and hit us up for anything y'all need. And also check our market out, man. Once this COVID stuff is over, we'll be back up going Hip Hop Vintage Flea Market.
All right.
Yeah, man. Check us out.
Y'all check it out, man. Show some love.
Damn sin, Boombox Bravo, man. Y'all go on YouTube.
Follow me
check
on
out that
IG
shit,
at
man.
Boombox Bravo and the Damn Sin.
Yeah. Hey, bitch, you ain't no shooter. Take a motherfucking shot. Take a motherfucking shot. Take a motherfucking shot. Bitch, you ain't no shooter. Take a motherfucking shot. Take a motherfucking shot. Bitch, you ain't no shooter.
shot. You working with the coppers, I'm working with the choppers. Middle monster, Mr. Pistol Popper. My killer's so sharp, ain't no way I can stop him. Bitch, I'm high powered. I'm thugging on that Howard. I got money and the power. Even my guardian ain't no pack of 9mm. I sleep with a vest cause niggas dying in their sleep. Tops it ain't in front of a minute. I can't read, I ain't gon' make it through a sentence. It's open season, I'll bust your watermelon. I got a squad full of gold, diamonds, and feathers. Turn vegan, he don't want no place. I smell murder in the air, now I wonder who's next. Who was ballin', supposed to go to Penn State. Instead he went to the state pen with no release. You ain't no shooter. Take a motherfucking shot, take a motherfucking shot, take a motherfucking shot. You ain't no shooter. Take a motherfucking shot, take a motherfucking shot. Bitch, you ain't no shooter. Take a motherfucking shot, take a motherfucking shot, take a motherfucking.
What's up, baby? It's your boy Shorte Mak, the $1 Million Dream Boy, Mr. King of the Super Shows, aka Mr. Cross Country. We over here. That has Lowrider Movement, Conroe, Texas, baby. I got all the jewelry right here. Custom made pendants, you need custom made grills. I do it all. We got the demo $1 Million Dreams about to drop. Y'all get ready. Today we had a performance earlier. We're out here bringing my business. It's going down. Shorte Mak, baby. Follow me on Instagram, Robert78666, baby. I'll holla at y'all, man.
Take a motherfucking shot, take a motherfucking shot. You ain't a shooter, you a fuck boy, everybody know it, ayy. You ain't a bullet, nigga, why you even tow it, ayy? You ain't a gangster, nigga, why you even know it, ayy? We can smell the pussy, you ain't even gotta show it. I'm a menace to society, fuck you when I stash out. Old school, rag top, rolling with the dang shot. All full of feelings, every last one holding. True, we around while the others keep it going. Get up on the floor, if you wiggle, then you ass out. Shouldn't be flexing on the ground, but the stash out. I'ma get the money by any means, just manifesting. Too many miles to beat, I gotta be respected. You gon' get the business, good God is my witness. Started, I'ma finish, ain't no asking for forgiveness. You gon' get the business, good God is my witness. Started, I'ma finish, ain't no asking for forgiveness. You ain't no shooter. Take a motherfucking shot, take a motherfucking shot, take a motherfucking shot. You ain't no shooter. Take a motherfucking shot, take a motherfucking shot. Bitch, you ain't a shooter. Take a motherfucking shot, take a motherfucking shot, take a motherfucking shot. You ain't no shooter. Take a motherfucking shot, take a motherfucking shot, take a shot. Yeah. Hey, y'all make some noise out there, Lowriders. What's up? Y'all give it up. Thanks for noise, Russell. Damn sin. That boy me.